Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. Creating and selling AI prompts is one of the biggest business opportunity for 2025 and beyond. Sounds like a lullaby, but this is a fact. With more and more businesses starting to use AI for scaling their business operations, the demand for selling accurate prompts that specify a marketer's need and help them achieve their objectives has risen considerably. This is the best time to start an online prompt store to build a spare-time online business. But we need to accept the truth: creating a stunning prompt store is a daunting task because you need to be well-versed with technical know-how as well as have the required coding and designing skills to be on the right track. Along with that, you have to spend huge money on hiring expensive developers as well as purchasing domain, hosting, etc. That makes it a hard nut to crack. Using third-party platforms has tons of issues attached, like paying huge monthly fees, sharing profits, having zero control over the store traffic, and much more. Hiring professionals to create prompt stores is too expensive. Using third-party prompt creation platforms may leave you bankrupt. A basic prompt store needs thousands of ready-to-sell prompts, and you can't hire third-party prompt creation. What if there is a brand new AI-powered app that auto-creates a fully functional online prompt store in under 60 seconds? And instantly loads it with 80,000 prompts from the most powerful AI platforms, ChatGPT and Midjourney and DALL-E 3, that you can sell immediately. Plus, Access AI-powered module creates advanced ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, Copilot prompts, ready to sell and scale in minutes. It's all thanks to Storix app. Start your own prompt store in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log in and watch. This mind-blowing app instantly creates ready-to-profit prompt stores and instantly loads it with 80,000 prompts from the most powerful AI platforms, ChatGPT and Midjourney and DALL-E 3. Step 2. Connect. Connect your preferred payment processor, PayPal, Stripe, bank account, and create discount coupons. You can also add your own prompts if you want. Step 3. Sell and collect. Sell prompts and collect payment even when you're on the go. And that's it. You're all set to launch your first profitable prompt store with zero hassles and zero monthly subscriptions. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then Storix is the shortcut you've been searching for. It is only fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event that you don't make unprecedented profits with the prompt store for a cost equivalent to your morning coffee and bagels, then we assure you a complete refund. Simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Storix will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Storix for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.